everyone, welcome to Supriya channel. Today's our topic is muscle tissue. What is muscle tissue? Muscle tissue is a soft tissue. Muscle tissue helps in movement, locomotion and maintains the body posture. Muscle tissue can extend or stretch. Muscle tissue provides the support to our body and our internal organs. Muscle tissue helps in various body functions like blood pressure. Muscular tissue consists of elongated cells called the muscular fibers, and it contains a special protein called the contractile protein, which contract and relax to cause the movement. Muscle tissue has the ability to contract, which allows for movement. Muscle tissue return to its original position after stretching. Let's see the types of the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is classified into three types. First one is striated muscle. Striated muscle are the skeletal muscle. Second one is non-striated muscle. Non-striated muscle. And third one is cardiac muscle. Third one, cardiac muscle. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, we discuss the striated muscle. Striated, first one, striated muscle. This striated muscle is also called as the skeletal muscle or skeletal muscle. These muscles are, first point, voluntary. These are striated muscles are voluntary in nature. Voluntary means what? Which are under our control. Suppose now I want to kick a football. I can kick a football. So this is under my control. So that's why here these muscles are voluntary, which are under our knowledge. Such muscles are called as the voluntary muscles, striated muscles. And appearance, shape, long, cylindrical, unbranched and multi-nucleate. Multi-nucleate means many nucleus, and striated muscle is also called as the skeletal muscles. I said why? Why these striated muscles are called as the skeletal muscles? Because these muscles attach to the bones. These muscles attach to the bones and helps in movement. Helps in movement. And why this muscle is called as striated muscle? Skeletal muscle is also called as striated muscle means here. These muscles consists or these muscles shows the light and dark striations are the band. Striations are the bands. This striated muscle shows the light and dark striations. So that's why these muscles are called as the striated muscles. So this is all about the striated muscle. Once again, I am repeating, striated muscles are voluntary muscles. That means which are under our control or which are under our knowledge. And these muscles are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. And these striated muscles also called as the skeletal muscles, which means attached to the bones and helps in movement. And these muscles shows the light and dark striation. So that's why this muscle is called as a striated muscle. Where we can found these muscles? These muscles we can found arms, legs and the tongue. One non-striated muscle. Non-striated muscle is also called as the smooth muscle. Involuntary, these muscles are involuntary muscles, involuntary in nature, and these muscles we can found in iris part of eye, bronchi of lungs, uterus, and contraction and relaxation of blood vessels, and the movement of alimentary canal like digestion process. And these muscles looks like appearance shape, pointed ends, that means spindle shape, uninucleate. So non-striated muscles also called as the smooth muscles. These muscles we can found the iris part of eye, bronchi of lungs, uterus, blood vessels, contraction and relaxation, blood flows through the blood vessels, and the digestion process, the movement of alimentary canal. And if we observe the shape of the non-striated muscle like pointed ends, that means spindle shape, and uninucleated. And involuntary, why these muscles are called as the involuntary muscles? Once we take the food, that is under our knowledge, that is under our control. Once we take the food, once we eat the food, whatever the process will takes place immediately, that is not under our control. Digestion process, we can't stop them or we can't start them. Such muscles are called as the involuntary muscles. This is the second one. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is the third one. Involuntary. Involuntary means which are not under our control, not under our knowledge. The heartbeat, rhythm of heart, lub, dub, which is not under our control, we can't start or stop. So that's why these muscles are involuntary in nature. Where we can found here these muscles, heart, these muscles we can found walls of the heart, function, pumping the blood, it pumps the blood, and one or two nuclei branch, and it resembles like skeletal muscle, resembles like skeletal muscle as it have the striations. Cardiac muscles, involuntary in nature. Where we can found the cardiac muscle, heart, it pumps the, these muscles pumps the blood, and one or two nuclei and branched, it resembles like, it looks like the skeletal muscles